Tell me if this hurts.
Howdy.
You tell me.
Kind of.
Kinda. Love you.
We love each other.
We love each other.
We love each other.
We love each other.
Hi. Hi. You know what? Yeah, you're not took a picture. No. Okay.
Austin's already trying.
There's Brandon.
Please take a listen to this. Okay, now that
And Tori.
And Cody.
Cody. Muscle
No,
man.
no, 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 no.
Thank
no,
you.
no.
Mom. Dad.
Perfect marshmallow.
Shelby.
We love each other.
Daddy ruined my perfect marshmallow.
Perfectly.
And me.
Look at my wasp thing.
Oh yeah, Shelby got stung today.
Yesterday.
Yesterday, and she got stung right there, and now she's all swell up there. She'll be okay though. It's her second sting this week, isn't it?
Yep.
What is going on over here?
He took the flashlight from me. He won't give it back.
Bright light.
Tori, would you like a marshmallow? No, I'm good.
What? Why did I
Anybody want
We
one?
just finished up setting camp. Came here at like 9 o'clock,
And we are rocking.
and it's dark.
And we're rocking.
Okay, I'm bad. Let's get it.
It's all Cody and
And it's
Tori's
Budamus.
fault.
Yeah,
Okay,
it's
never
all
mind.
your
Now I know why
fault.
they don't see
And she
it.
just smacked my butt.
Tori's never been camping and she wanted
Sorry,
to camp.
Daddy. Huh?
Tori's never been camping and she wanted to camp.
Never been.
What?
Apparently.
Where's Sadie? There's Sadie. Hi, Sadie. Sadie likes to get her frogs.
Kind of burnt marshmallow.
Really?
She likes the frogs.
Where does your family
Well-
ever go camping?
What?
Well, she's always been with a friend or something on all of our camping trips for some reason.
OMG.
They run off.
Like, I've gone hiking and stuff, but I've never been, like, overnight.
Yeah.
Well, we've been in our backyard a couple times. It's just where we have cameras.
Your backyard does not count, alright? We only did that because
No.
Caitlin Tasha wanted to.
The house
What
next
do you
door's
We
backyard.
went camping with
Tori,
Jessica and
you want this?
Brandon. They were just babies.
Yes.
Hey, no.